Hello student, today we are going to discuss chemical reaction in terms of energy changes. Okay, in previous video we discussed different types of chemical reaction, and in this session we are going to discuss another type of chemical reaction in terms of energy changes. Means energy evolved in reaction or energy absorbed in reaction. So with respect to energy changes, chemical reaction are following types. Now look here. Chemical reaction in terms of energy changes. Okay, energy means heat, light. Okay, these are the some changes. Okay, now in terms of energy changes, reactions are four types. Okay, exothermic reaction, endothermic reaction, photochemical reaction, and electrochemical reaction. Okay, now I explain one by one all these reactions. Okay, now first reaction is that exothermic reaction. Okay, now the first point related to exothermic reaction means reaction proceed with the evolution of heat energy. Okay, so exothermic reaction proceed with evolution of heat energy. Look here, reaction proceed with evolution of heat energy. Okay, now second point, it is represented by plus sign. Plus sign. If any reaction contain with plus sign, okay, it means energy releases. For example, it can also be plus sign or plus delta. Okay, now look here example. Nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to form NH3 plus delta. Okay, now this is an example of exothermic reaction. Now look here, this one, it means energy releases, means this reaction proceed with evolution of heat energy. So these are about the exothermic reaction. Now next example, H2 plus O2 to form water plus heat energy. Okay, so these are the example of exothermic reaction. And overall, what is exothermic reaction? Reaction proceed with evolution of heat energy. It is represented by plus sign or plus delta. It represents that energy releases in the reaction. Okay, these are the example. This one is the first, that is exothermic. Now next, endothermic reaction. Okay, now look here. Endothermic reaction. Okay, endothermic reaction means reaction proceed with the absorption of heat energy. Okay, absorption of heat energy. So look here, first point. What is the first point? First point, reaction proceed with absorption of heat energy. It means for endothermic reaction need some amount of heat energy or energy. Okay, now it is represented by minus sign or minus delta. Okay, now example, N2 plus O2 on heating, okay, it gives 2NO minus delta. Okay, it means in this reaction energy absorbed. Okay, next example, calcium carbonate, it gives carbon dioxide, okay, plus calcium oxide. Next is photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction. Photo means light. Means reaction proceed with the absorption of light energy known as photochemical reaction. Example. Okay. The best example of photochemical reaction are photosynthesis. Example, photosynthesis. Okay, now in this photosynthesis, carbon dioxide reacts with water in the presence of sunlight. To form C6H12O6, that is glucose. Okay, so these are the example of photochemical reaction. Okay, photochemical reaction means a reaction proceed with the absorption of light energy. Okay, photosynthesis is an example of photochemical reaction in which carbon dioxide and water react to form glucose. Okay. Now next example are very important. A question arises from this example. Okay. Now look here. Hydrogen plus chlorine react to form 2HCl. Okay. Now, when hydrogen and chlorine contact with diffused sunlight, then reaction are slow. Okay, when these two are contact with sunlight in diffused medium. Diffuse means not in direct. Okay, so reaction are slow. But when hydrogen and chlorine contact in direct sunlight, then reaction direct sunlight reaction are very explosive. Okay. Now next example. Look here. Important reaction. When silver bromide, okay, contact with sunlight, okay, it changes into okay. Now when silver bromide contact with sunlight, okay, it changes into silver bromide. Okay, now what is the difference between this and this? Oxidation number. Okay, and form bromine. Okay, form bromine. Okay, it means it self dissociate to form other compound. That is why the silver salt, it is also known as silver bromide or silver salt, kept in dark bottle reagent. Okay, why? Because if it keep in plain bottle, it directly contact with sunlight and it dissociate to form another product. That is why it that is silver salt or silver bromide kept in dark reagent bottle. Okay, so question asked in your examination, why silver salt kept in dark reagent bottle? Okay, answer is that if we keep this silver salt in normal bottle, then it directly contact with sunlight and dissociate to form different products. Okay, so these are the photochemical reaction. Now the last one is electrochemical reaction. Okay, electrochemical reaction. Electrochemical reaction means reaction proceed with absorption of electrical energy Okay, so electrochemical reaction means reaction proceed with the absorption of electrical energy. Okay, electrical energy. Now example, electrochemical reaction means reaction proceed with the absorption of electrical energy. It means reaction proceed when we supply electrical energy. Okay, electricity. Okay, so this is the an example of electrochemical reaction. Water dissociate into hydrogen and oxygen molecule in the presence of electric current.